moment many thought would never come has arrived, a headline years in the making, cutting through speculation, doubt, and relentless anticipation. The Iraqi Dinar, ICD, a currency sparking endless online debates, thousands of forum posts, and financial conspiracy theories, is now officially exchangeable at Bank of America branches across the United States. This isn't another rumor floating on Telegram or whispered in online communities. It's verified, documented, and unfolding in real time. For those immersed in the global currency revaluation (GCR) conversation, especially dedicated IQD holders, this is more than a milestone. It's a transformative shift, closing an era of uncertainty and opening doors to institutional access. For years, IQD holders navigated a fog of uncertainty with conflicting forum reports, YouTube analysts making bold claims, and self-proclaimed insiders pushing unverified hype. Now, the narrative has shifted dramatically. Bank of America locations are opening their doors, confirming appointments, and engaging wealth managers directly with dinar holders. This is no longer a question of if, but a reality of now. Appointments are filling up fast. Private exchange rooms once reserved for high net worth clients are accommodating IQD redemptions. And private bankers, foreign exchange managers, compliance officers are fully involved. This coordinated activation is a game changer for those who've waited patiently. Welcome to another insider report from Iraqi Dinar Hub, the trusted community for serious currency holders worldwide. We've meticulously tracked the Iraqi Dinar's revaluation RV journey, separating fact from fiction. Bank of America's activation of IQD exchange counters in select locations is no accident. It's the result of months, if not years, of meticulous planning. Sources indicate preliminary preparations began late last year, with significant progress in spring 2025, when confidential memos reached key staff in high-volume branches, especially in regions with strong foreign currency demand. By June 10, 2025, whispers and screenshots emerged, hinting at training sessions focused on high-value currency procedures, specifically the IQD. Social media soon lit up with confirmations, appointment slips, teller screens processing IQD, and testimonials from early exchanges. Verifications poured in from cities like Florida, Texas, California, and the Midwest, confirming this is a coast-to-coast rollout. The structure is strategic. Front-facing currency counters handle small exchanges, secure appointment only, rooms cater to medium to high volume holders with legitimate documentation, and digital platforms sync with live Forex data for real-time rate adjustments. Tiered contract rates are quietly offered to high-volume, long-term holders with proper paperwork, ensuring a structured, secure process for prepared participants. This isn't a simple walk-in exchange. Bank of America has implemented strict tier structures that define your rate and experience. Tier 1, for casual holders with smaller amounts, a few $100,000 IQD notes, offers rates between $.25 and $2.50 per ICD. While modest, these rates can yield significant returns, though note condition, authenticity, and quantity thresholds apply. Tier 2 targets holders with documented holdings, dealer certificates, and receipts, requiring pre-scheduled appointments. Rates here range from $3 to $5 per IQD based on verification and volume. Tier 3, for high-volume holders 500,000 IQD or more, involves contracts, legal teams, and NDAs, with rates as high as $6.50 or more, but demands rigorous KYC, AML, and tax compliance documentation. To navigate the exchange process successfully, treat it like a serious financial negotiation. Start by contacting your local Bank of America branch and requesting the foreign currency or international exchange department. Don't expect immediate service by walking in unannounced. Ask for the nearest branch equipped for IQD exchanges. Schedule a foreign currency appointment, specifying your IQD volume and proof of purchase, and clarify your Tier 2 or 3. You'll receive confirmation details, including your banker's name. On the day, arrive early for a secure verification process involving UV scans, serial number checks, and document reviews. Tier 3 holders may sign NDAs or contracts. Once validated, you'll receive a rate quote, and funds are prepared for deposit, often clearing within 24-48 hours. With elite transactions including wealth management discussions. Confirmations are flooding in from cities like Houston, Dallas, Tampa, Atlanta, Chicago, San Diego, and Las Vegas. Social media shows appointment confirmations, teller receipts, and first-hand accounts of successful exchanges. In Houston, holders documented the full process, from verification to pending deposits. Florida's Tampa and Orlando branches report 5-10 daily appointments, while busier urban areas see early morning lines. Suburban branches handle fewer, methodical appointments to ensure privacy. Managers confirm more locations will activate by June's end based on demand. The consistency of verified rates and official paperwork surpasses online speculation, signaling a regulated institutional process. Caution is critical to avoid costly mistakes. Arriving unprepared, lacking ID, proof of purchase, or an appointment can result in lower rates or outright denial due to strict compliance rules. Oversharing on social media, like posting appointment details or rates, risks violating NDAs, potentially nullifying your exchange. Avoid unverified fast-track deals on platforms like Telegram or WhatsApp, especially those requesting upfront payments. Ignoring tax implications for exchanges over $10,000 invites audits. Consult a CPA specializing in large transactions. Preparation, privacy, and discipline are key to turning this opportunity into life-changing wealth. This rollout is part of a broader financial shift. Sources indicate Wells Fargo and Chase are preparing IQD exchange services within 7-10 days, with pilot programs already underway. International banks like HSBC, Barclays, and Deutsche Bank are aligning for similar rollouts in Canada, the UAE, and Europe. Iraq's stabilizing economy, bolstered by oil contracts, infrastructure development, and international partnerships, drives this shift. The IMF and BIS are monitoring, with test transactions facilitating cross-border integration. Known as global currency rebalancing, this recalibrates undervalued currencies like the IQD to reflect their true market worth, signaling a new era of economic alignment. This is the moment IQD AEQD holders have awaited. Bank of America's exchange is active, producing real transactions for prepared participants. But this rewards diligence, not curiosity. Contact your branch's foreign currency department, secure an appointment, and gather your ID, receipts, and documentation. Don't share details online, respect NDAs, and act methodically. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a structured process. Share this information with trusted IQD holders to counter rumors. The doors are open, but only those with preparation and focus will maximize this historic opportunity. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial, legal, or investment advice. Currency exchange rates, processes, and outcomes vary by location, bank policy, and global conditions. Consult qualified financial and legal professionals before proceeding with large-scale transactions.